Alright, the tool I'm going to show you in this video is the rectangular pattern tool, which is located right here. This is actually really useful if you want to arrange things in a pattern that's in a rectangular shape. So when I click on the rectangular tool, it's going to look a little bit confusing when you first look at it, but it's going to be pretty easy when you follow along here. So in direction 1, you're going to pick the direction which you want the pattern to go. And so I'm just going to go ahead and click on this line. It's going to recognize that, hey, I want to go that way. If you don't, you can always flip the direction and go the opposite direction. But I do want the pattern to go this way. Here it's going to ask, hey, well, actually I forgot to select geometry first, so there you go. It's going to ask how many times you want to do it. So here is 2, 3, 4, and you can see it's going to keep adding that extra point in there as many times as I want it to. So for this, I've already done a little bit of prep work. This is 3 inches right here. If I want to do 0.5 apart for all of them, I can go ahead and put 0.5 inches here. Alright, and then I can go ahead and evenly space what will eventually be the holes. So here I have 5 holes, evenly spaced at 0.5 each. If I want to go in direction 2 as well to make a perfect grid here, I can go ahead and select that direction. I'm going to do 0.5 as well, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the same amount. Notice all of these points I'm going to add in. When I go ahead and hit OK, it added all these points here for me that are evenly spaced instead of me having to go ahead and put in these dimensions every single time. Now when I finish my sketch, if I want to create holes there, notice it's going to create holes perfectly spaced throughout my object.